Hey folks, it's Truck Month at Handy's Downtown. Are you in need of a truck for your everyday life? Well, come on down to Handy's Downtown and check out our vast inventory. We have all makes and models from Dodge, Ford, Chevrolet, Nissan, and Jeep. Styles range from work trucks to crew cabs, which are perfect for the family. We also offer trucks with lifts and plows, which are perfect for the upcoming Vermont winter. So come on down and see what we have to offer at 39 South Main Street, St. Albans, Vermont.
Short on time? Shop online at handycars.com.